welcome to MFS Media. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Kershaw Taskmaster, a foldable saw that you can stick right in your pack for hunting, camping, hiking, any of the above. Before we go into the saw here, let's talk a little bit about the channel. You can now follow the channel via social media on Facebook, Instagram, and now you can follow us on Twitter. The Twitter handle is MFS_media. All the links for those social media pages will be down below. Make sure to check it out. Also, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the state of Bitcoin and Ethereum relating to this saw here. So without further ado, let's review this saw. So here we got the Kershaw Taskmaster. Let's open it up for you guys so you guys can get a nice overall view of it. Let's go over the specs of it. So the blade overall length is 7 inches. When it's closed, it's 9 inches, and the overall weight for it is going to be 8 ounces. So it's definitely not. It feels nice in the hand. It's got nice rubber grip to it, and the I don't know what you'd call these, knurlings, I guess is what you'd call it. Feels nice in the hand. It's also got a lanyard loop in case you want to use it. I personally don't like using those, but to each their own. So while I talk about my experiences with this saw here, I'm going to roll some video with me using it. Let's take a look at the video. So my experiences with the saw were overall pretty good. It's like I said, I feel it's lightweight. It fits my hand really well, and when I was using it, on logs that were just on the ground and sticks that were just on the ground, it fared pretty well. It got stuck on me a little bit here and there. That's probably due to the fact of the sticks and or logs were not supported properly, so it was bending in on the blade, which would obviously cause friction and lock it up. Now, if you notice, when I was using it on the basically the planted tree that was dead and was coming up out of the ground, it worked perfectly. I got through it within 10 seconds or less multiple times. So, in conclusion, the Kershaw Taskmaster, I feel, is a good budget buy for a foldable saw that you can put in your pack. Very easy to manipulate with the folding, with it being able to fold and the manual locking button here. Also, one thing I forgot to mention about the blade here is that it is a powder-coated carbide blade. So, if you do not keep it oiled, once the finish rubs off, it could rust. But as long as you take care of it, it's going to be fine. And it's a cheap little saw. So if it does rust on you and you feel it's too much, you can always just go out and buy another one. So as I promised, and as always, I will talk about the state of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin right now is valued at $11,423. That could buy you a boatload of these saws here. Exactly this amount right there. And Ethereum is valued at $1,067, which again would buy you a lot of these saws. So get it while it's hot, guys. I just got to say thank you all very much for tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos. Also, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click that bell to get notifications for new videos. Once again, one video every week. And also make sure to follow me on social media, where you'll see daily deals and daily pictures of all things outdoors related. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice night.